Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
These colorful shells are from my Stitchorama by Naztazia collection. To begin, chain 34 or any multiple of 8 plus 2. For row 1, single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Skip 3 chains and make 9 double crochet stitches in the next chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Skip 3 chains. Make 1 single crochet in the next chain. Skip 3. Make 9 double crochet stitches in the next chain. 1, 2, 8, and 9. Continue doing this across the row. You'll have a single crochet in the last stitch. Chain 3 and turn your work. For row 2, make 1 double crochet in the same space. Chain 1. Skip 3 stitches and make 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Chain 1. In the previous row's single crochet, make a double crochet, chain 1, and a double crochet, chain 1, skip 3, and make a single crochet in the next 3 stitches, chain 1, and do the double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet at the bottom. Chain 1. Continue across the row. At the end, make 2 double crochet stitches in the last stitch. And here's what it looks like. If you plan on changing colors, take your new color and use that instead to finish the last stitch. Chain 3 and turn your work. For row 3, begin with 4 double crochet stitches all in the same place as the chain 3. Make a single crochet in the second of the previous row's 3 single crochet stitches. In the V space from the previous row, make 9 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 8, and 9. Make a single crochet in the second stitch. Make 9 more double crochet stitches in the previous V stitch. 8 and 9. Continue across the row. At the end, make 5 double crochet stitches at the top of the previous row's chain 3. Chain 1 and turn. For row 4, begin with 1 single crochet in the same space and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1. At the bottom, make a V-stitch again. Chain 1. Then make 3 single crochet stitches. Chain 1. Continue with this pattern across the row. At the end, make 1 single crochet in the last 2 stitches. Change over to another color if you would like. Chain 1 and turn your work. Row 5 is very similar to row 1. Start off with a single crochet stitch. Then make 9 double crochet stitches, this time in the V space. And single crochet in the middle of the stitches. There are 4 rows to this pattern that are repeated. And that's it.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video, and please visit my website at Naztazia.com.